Arrive at Chateau d'Ambrage before nightfall.
What's that noise?
Nothing. It's just frogs, Hugo.
He seems well.
Let's keep our fingers crossed. Aren't you cold?
A little, yes.
Hugo doesn't seem to mind.
He's keeping himself warm.
Yes. But he's too far for my liking. Hugo, where are you going? Hugo! An English shield. Where did you find that?
Over there, lying on the ground.
Listen, Hugo. Put that down. It's not for children.
Oh, you're no fun.
Come on, let's go.
Do you smell that?
Oh, it stinks.
Yes, it's horrible.
Hey, what are you doing?
They're so pretty.
What are they again?
Gladioli.
Ah, yes, of course.
Don't you like them?
That's not a good sign.
Hugo, they're flowers. That's strange. What is that?
Ugh, it really smells.
It's coming from over there. Amicia, Lucas, come quick, look!
Oh my god.
Amicia, we have to follow the aqueduct.
Oh my goodness.
Amicia, do we have to walk on them?
I know, Hugo, but we don't have a choice.
Do you think we are hurting them?
Just keep moving, Hugo. Come on. Shouldn't be here.
Oh, the smell. It's unbearable.
I feel sick.
Don't look. Concentrate on the aqueduct. Oh, the horse. Lucas?
I don't know.
Oh no! The rats! Keep away from them!
Amicia, they're everywhere. Hundreds of them.
I don't believe it.
There are people over there.
Those aren't soldiers.
We have to get out of here.
What were they doing?
Those were looters, looking for things to steal.
But why?
To survive, probably. Like us.
We'll never get through. We need fire.
Amicia, there's some wood down there. But there's rats everywhere.
Could you help me with this?
All right. We can't hold it back for...
Could you lend a hand?
Very well. We can't hold it back for long.
Hugo, you're going to have to go through.
But I can't. There are rats everywhere.
We have to... It's all right now. Go.
Yes, yes.
Help me with this, will you?
Right now.
Can you do it?
Yes. I did it. I made it.
Good. Now come back.
There you go.
Ow, my arms. They're paralyzed.
Well done, you two.
Who's over there?
Into the grass, quickly. He mustn't see us.
Amicia, his lantern.
I understand.
He's coming.
What? What did I do?
Oh, Lord. It's horrible.
But it worked. There are too many rats. We're stuck.
Into the tower. I can see light.
Well, looks like them looting bastards.
There are too many rats. We're stuck.
Well, looks like them looting bastards.
Climb up.
All right.
I'll go first.
Yes, of course.
Not bad. Not bad at all. This should make things a little easier. You go first.
Right now. Which way should we go?
They are everywhere.
Oh no, soldiers!
We need to push.
Let me help.
We're making too much noise. They're going to spot us.
I heard something. Kids, who sent ya? Say hello.
Let's push this.
Yes, of course. The wheels are stuck in the mud.
We'll have to leave it here. Come on.
What the hell are you doing? Hold him still.
This is proper horrible.
Come on, I just want his teeth.
Yeah, but still.
What? Rats are gonna eat him anyway.
Yeah, suppose you're right.
We need to pass below the aqueduct, monsieur. But the rats are everywhere.
Shh. It won't
We'll find a way.
You want me to try?
Over there, a torch.
I might have a chance if I go alone.
Why don't you try a different one? They're all over the place.
Stay here.
All right.
Can't fucking stand these rodents. You've got nothing better to do than muck around with a corpse.
Must have been nothing. Finally!
Shh, it's all right.
What are you gonna do with it now?
Well, I'll have to think about that.
Good, you can come.
Yes, yes.
Come on, climb up.
All right, not a sound. They've got sticks in their dummies.
Don't look.
Try to ignore everything you see here, Hugo. Amicia, look how they're drawn to them.
Amicia, tower.
Yes, we can't stay here. Come on, inside, quickly.
Amicia, there's someone over there.
Oh no.
Come on! You're so funny! Get me out of here! Hey!
Amicia, he's trapped.
Shh.
We have to keep moving.
Oh! About time!
Oh no.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing?
Sorry. We have to get out.
Amicia.
Come on. This way. The torch.
We'll do without it, Amicia. The soldier, he's blocking the way.
I don't see any other way. Damn.
We don't have a choice. We'll have to take him by surprise. Here, take these.
What do you want me to do with this stuff?
Some them. You see, mix them together.
Like this?
Perfect. Now you're going to crush it on his face.
Are you serious? Lucas? Well, I hope you know what you're doing. Wait there. I'll be back soon.
All right, I'll stay here. Is he asleep?
Yes, for a while.
Thank you. This is going to save our lives.
Another machine.
This one seems a bit different.
We're going to need some fire to get past. Will that move?
I'll try. I'm going to drop it. Look out!
Take care of it. Can you do it?
Yes.
Go on, Hugo. That's it. do this?
I can't, Misia.
I need you to do this.
Very well.
Can you do it? Go on, Hugo. That's it. Think you can do this?
Right away.
Lucas, is this of any use to us?
It's a tool for calculating distance.
For what? War?
They must use it to adjust firing angles.
It's rubbish.
No, it's not. I'll show you later.
Another machine.
This one seems a bit different.
Will that move?
I'll try.
I'm going to drop it. Look out!
We had better hurry.
Can you do it? Go on, Hugo. That's it. I need you to do this.
Yes.
Lucas, is this of any use to us?
It's a tool for calculating distance.
For what? War?
They must use it to adjust firing angles.
It's rubbish.
No, it's not. I'll show you later.
Think you can do this?
All right. Ah!
take care of it. Go on, Hugo. That's it. Can you do it?
Very well. You did it.
Hugo did the hard part.
I just want us to get out of here.
Me too. Come on, let's go.
Are we going to go under it?
Just have to be careful. There's a fire behind that cart. Get ready. We're going to have to stay in the light. Let's go, let's go.
We're not holding it back.
No, run.
I'm not sure about this.
It's working for now.
All right, it worked.
Soldier.
There, on the tower. Those are bodies, aren't they?
Yes. Bodies. Don't look, Hugo. I'll help you up.
I can't. Monsieur. I don't feel well.
What's the matter?
My head.
The macula. He's afraid. We have to get out of here. Hugo. Hugo. Think of the frogs. Remember how they jumped? You were chasing them. Come on, let's go and see some more.
Yes. We have to get out of here, Amicia.
We will. This place can't go on forever, right? There's an awful lot of them.
But we don't have a choice.
I know there's not enough of us, and I definitely know we'd all like to get far, far away from these fucking rats. But these are our boys. They gave their lives for England. What if it were you? You'd want a decent burial, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Come on then! Guyenne is ours! What was that noise? I could have sworn.
Amicia, I'm very tired.
Look, there are trees again. I think we're getting to the end.
Finally.
Where'd you come from? You alone?
Watch out.
Say something, arsehole.
That's my sister, you bastard. Now let us go.
You'll never see us again! I swear!
No chance. Where I come from, we
Hey,
execute
what
loot
about
on the
them?
spot.
You're just gonna let them go?
What? Hey!
Now!
Ugh!
Soldiers, there's trouble over here.
Let's get out of here.
We're following them!
There! They're running away!
Hugo! Run!
Amicia! Let go of me!
Hey, wakey wakey. Better eat something. You're lucky, you know. Your everyday corpse robber usually gets a sword in the belly, no questions asked. But me, I've got an eye for that fancy jewellery. And you're lucky I like gold better than blood, Lady de Rune.
Where is my brother?
Shut up! The better you look, the higher the ransom. Might have bruised the goods a bit too much already.
The ransom? Who's paying it?
Oh, you'll see soon enough. You're not in your shadow anymore, so cork it, all right?
Mangy dog.
Who are you? Melly. The other one's Arthur. This is all your fault. Where is my brother? Hey, keep your voice down. Those dogs took my sling. You don't need it.